this. So now we move to the area under the curve and plot the ROC curve. So it's easy now, just we need this package actually to install this package. So just control, just select all, this will run smoothly. Control and yes, Control R, just select all of them and run. Okay, so if you watch now the video at this step, you should have the data cleaned. So now the ROC using the success rate and the prediction rate. Okay, let's see the code how it's alright. So first of all, this is for the prediction output prediction. Actually we give the different names, so just rename it based on the names that we have. We have two value of the output. We have output prediction training, so you want to see the success rate and the prediction rate. So this one will be underscore training, and the value of it was ANP, correct? So this one will be compared with the scale training. Oh, actually I added here. Okay, so doesn't matter, keep this one for the test, and here just rename this one because it's the different, the R is sensitive about the caps. Okay, and this one about this, it was for the output testing. Yes, output test. And this one about the output train, correct? Output test, output prediction train. Here it's called ANNP. Okay, scale for the train and training. If you have a problem with the spelling, so you just reach here and press the tab and it will give you the correct one. Okay, so this one ROC for the prediction. Let's say this one for the success rate, and this one for the prediction. Sorry, it's vice versa. It's vice versa because the success rate is just using the normal data that we used earlier. Okay, this on the success. Alright, let's run this one. This one. Okay, so the performance now, it will be first performance for the performance. Let's see, let's say it's for the success using the training data. Okay, so this one it will go for the success underscore. Yes. Right. So we need another one. So we call it success. Copy. We need to have one by two column and two rows. 1 by 2. I'll make it like this, much better. Alright, we'll have two plots. Copy this plot, and this plot, it's about the ROC performance success. Copy this one, and we'll have ROC for the prediction. Okay, so let's run this one. Alright, let's run this one. Alright, let's put them both in one plot. Success. Wonderful. Now we have, as you see now, this is the success rate and this is the prediction rate. Okay, so this is success rate, and now we want to find the area under the curve for this success rate. So we said performance, we'll take this value, we'll copy it here, copy this one, performance. So for this prediction, put this one here, and here we'll say measure the area under the curve. Okay, R performance sorry, I said need to put this prediction, not the performance. Sorry, yes, this one. Copy. Okay. Yes, now. And how much? Yes, it's 95. Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, so he got a 95. So let's put here success rate area under the curve equal to 95. That's great, actually. That's great model. And this one, it's about the ROC performance of the success. Copy here and put it here, so it will plot it again. And we take this one, copy, put it here. Alright, so it's come as a colorful now, and you see the value, success rate, area under the curve 95, and you see very nice plot for the results. Okay, so just you'll see here the value from 0 to 1. Now we'll just see about the success rate. So we'll take this, copy this one, copy this one, and put it here. And also we will change everything related to this prediction. Yes, this one for the prediction. What else? This one, need to change it here. Okay, and this one will be the prediction rate, later we'll see how much the value, then we can change it. Alright, so we'll come to the plot. Actually we will plot it again, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter here. We plot everything again. Okay, so this is for the prediction. This is the value. Area under the curve, it's 80. Now you can see this is the value of the prediction rate. So you just change this one to 80. And here we have the prediction rate results out of the data that we use, the success rate and prediction rate. That's wonderful, actually, very good achievement. You can see 80% is very well without doing too much optimization. Imagine if we optimize the result by removing some factors based on the sensitivity test and the pairwise. Also, if we try to change the algorithm, but we use the default here with all of this data, which almost like 21 variables, and we got this accuracy. So this is wonderful. I'm glad actually to test this model here with you. So you can proceed about producing now the final prediction map using the data that it was just the raster data that we prepared earlier without any clues.